my name is Scrap Queen and today I have a new unboxing video for you guys, so check it out. Oh my god, this is quite a while that I did an unboxing video, so I'm so super excited. So let me see what's inside. Let me open this up. Oh my gosh, it's from Crealise, and that's absolutely a while that I did an unboxing video for those. Oh my gosh, look at that. Do they have papers? What are these? Papers? Oh my. They have papers. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Let me first unwrap these. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Papers. Cozy Christmas. That is so amazing. Oh my gosh, I love these. So cute. Oh, and the back are just nice plain color. Then we have this shape with all the colors. Oh my gosh, look at all these colors. Oh my god, these are so good to make cards with, or a little Christmas project as a gift, or a little gift. I think you even can use this as wrapping papers, but I think these papers are way too good for that. So I bet little Christmas cards would be awesome. Look at that. Oh, they have stripes. Oh my gosh. You all know I love stripes. Oh yes, they have stripes. That is so cool. Oh, look at these bells. I love it. Oh, snowflakes. So cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. And the color combinations are just amazing. Pink and blue and red and green, and yeah, I think a brown gray one, but oh my gosh, I love it. That is amazing. Okay, Crealise, so you did papers. I never knew this. Do they have more? I have no idea. Check it out, the website. Check it out to see if they do have more. I don't know. Maybe it's the first collection. I have no idea. It's been a while that I was on the website. Let me check here. Maybe there is something on here. No, I only see this one. And this one is from September. So it's quite new. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, don't watch this, otherwise it's to ruin the surprise. Oh my gosh, look at this big pile of all these yummies. Oh, the light is a little flashy, but oh my gosh. If I keep it this way, then it will not. So if I put this to my right, then I can show you one by one. And I'm gonna try to not keep it this way, otherwise you will get blind. But oh my god, they have new on the edge dies. Oh wow, this I love, particularly because you can use this for making a little knot, so you don't have to use your wound punch. So this would be easy to use for that. But I also love to make these with little tabs. So cool. That is amazing. So I don't know, shall I call all the numbers? This is the CLOTE 65. Oh my gosh, but I bet if you go to the website that you will see all, and if you click on new, so go to the website www.crealise.nl. I will put the link below this video, and then click on new. Then you will get to see all these new edges, the edge dies. I bet you will find them quickly. I think easier than that I noticed. But I will put all the numbers also below this video. I promise you guys. But this one is so cute. If I put it down, then the light is terrible. So I will put it back in the box for now. And then we have this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so nice and fancy. You also can use this for your pocket to have a nice notch. But I also love it like this. So cool. So this is the CLOTE 66. I'm just gonna keep pronouncing it because otherwise maybe I will forget things. And then, what do I see here? This one. Oh my gosh, I love this shape. I remember I made this one with wound circle punches to create something like this. But how easy it is if you just have a die. That's so easy. Oh, I loved it. Especially when you have all these little stripes on here. I really like it. And this is the CLOTE 66. Oh, amazing. And do you see another one? I do see another one. Oh, yes. Oh, God, I love these wavy curves. And then in the middle, this piece right here. So cool to use for a nice edge. For your pages or pockets or whatever. You're gonna love to use these. And this is the CLOTE 67. Amazing. I love it. Love it. And then you also have the small sizes. So this is a slightly smaller. This is the 10.5 centimeter. And this is the 14.5 centimeter. So this is a slightly smaller. But how easy to use. Oh, I like these. Oh my gosh, so cool. And there is a plus, there is a plus. Look at these little ones. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my God, I love this collection. Oh my God, you also can use these for tabs. This one also. And of course this one also. I like it. The decorative little pieces, I absolutely love it. And this is the CLOTE 71 mini 4x5 centimeters plus little stripes. Cool, I like it. I like, oh no way, no way. Oh, there are also big ones, XL. Oh wow. And I bet they will fit a A4 piece. Oh yes, look at that. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I love it. So they all come in the XL form, the XL size. Look at that, that's amazing. That is so cool to have this full collection, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. It's been such a long time that I used dies. I need to get back into that. I think soon as my craft room is ready. Alright, here we have the CLOTE XL 67 and the CLOTE XL 66, the CLOTE XL 68 and the CLOTE XL 65. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, so cute. Okay, what else? What else? Look at this. Oh my, what's this? For journals and planners. Okay, so we do see a heart shape. And what I love, the first thing that I see is you also get 2 separate dies for your decorative papers. But you also can use these separate dies for other purposes. And I already checked it on the website. If you go to the website and you will find this die, and this is number CLJP659 and it's called Pocket Heart. You will see several beautiful examples what you can make only with this die. And these little guys are going to be fold forward and then you will have that little pocket. But you also can fold it to the back and then you have your back pocket. But you also can make it to the forward. I absolutely love this one. Oh wow, super cool. And with this little guy in the middle, you also have the little stitches. So it looks like, so it's really a nice decorative edge also. Cool. Okay, what else? What else? Oh my. Look at these. 3 sizes. Oh no. These are pockets. Also for journals and planners. 3 different sizes. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look at that. So these are the hinges. And this round shape makes it so perfect to make a nice pocket, because you can make a pocket of your own, of course, but this round shape is hard to get to use that with these 2 hinges. That is so amazing. And then you also get 2 separate dies with also that stitchy edge. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then you will have 3 sizes. So I will mention them. So we have the smallest one, and that is the CLJP 661, and it's called Pocket, and this is a quarter circle of 6.5 centimeters. And then the middle one is CLJP 662, and this is a quarter circle of 8.5 centimeters. And then the biggest one is the CLJP 663, and this has a quarter circle of 10.5 centimeters. Look how big this is. Amazing. Absolutely stunning. And then I have one last thing that I have seen here in my corner. What are these? So these are also for journals and planners. And oh, tabs, of course, yes, these are tabs. These are the CLJP 660 tabs A, they called. Oh my gosh, that looks like this if you fold them down. Oh my gosh, a lot. And they also have an inner, which you can use for your design paper, also with that stitchy edge all the way around. Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. These are beautiful tabs when you pull something, if you want to have a nice pull out, or if you have several pages and then you glue these down in a tab way, in a, how you call that, yeah, you will get the idea. I'm terrible in some words. But these are amazing. Oh my gosh. Crealise, you really spoiled me. Thank you so much. Okay, this one is, you also get, and they do send worldwide, by the way. We ship worldwide. And I do see that these are the new ones from October, November. So all these edge dies I got, so happy with them. And these are the new ones from September. And here also from September. And these also I really like. All these little tags with words to cut out. Amazing. And this one is from June. So almost each month they have new collections of dies. So cool. Absolutely stunning. I do go sometimes to a craft fair, and they almost always I see those. And when you see that that table filled with dies, and then I always I'm so respectful to them to see how many dies they have. They have so much that you can't choose. So you better not see at the craft fair. But yeah, they have so many. But please check out the website www.crealise.nl and check it out, guys. They have a list with new ones, with older ones, with a sale, and just check it out. So they do ship worldwide, so don't think that if you are out of Europe or out of Holland that you can't order, because you can. You definitely can. You can. But check out the website, and I can't say that enough. Check the website, especially also if you each time see a die, then they always have, well, most of the time they have samples. to see what else you can do with all those dies. So that is a beautiful tip. And oh my gosh, it's a full box. Thank you so much, Annelies. You are the greatest. And thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. And check out Crealise. They have amazing dies. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.